is inconvenient anytime the Windows shows the following error code. If this is also happening to you, keep watching on this video. Now you have to take note that the USB 3.0 uses more endpoints, which might be enough to get Windows to show this error. In this case, connecting your devices through the USB 2.0 port might be enough to fix the problem. This is especially if you're using a USB mouse or keyboard. But if that did not work, try running the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. To access it, launch Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, and then press Enter. Now this should bring up the Hardware and Devices window. Then in here, click Advanced, click the Apply Repairs Automatically option, then click Next to run the troubleshooter. Now if running the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter did not work, you should try reinstalling the USB drivers. Just open Device Manager, double-click on the USB controllers, then search for the drivers that includes Host Controller Service in their name. Right-click one of them, select Uninstall Device, confirm reaction in the pop-up window, then restart your computer, and then the Windows will automatically reinstall the USB drivers. And those are the following fixes for the following error code on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.